In this video, we're going to take a look at the basic strokes of the Gothic script. So stroke number 1 is basically just a straight line. Stroke number 2 is a diamond shaped stroke. Stroke number 3 and 4 are mirror images of each other. Stroke number 5 is just a slanted line. Stroke number 6 is a play on the straight line with a curved top. And stroke number 6 is again a straight line with a curved bottom. Now we're going to take a look at stroke number 1 in detail. So you want to keep your pen at around 40 degrees right there. So as you can see, the nib is at an angle. And then you want to press it down and pull the pen towards you. So you press at the top, pull the pen towards you, and hold at the bottom, and then release your pen. So again, press, pull down, hold and release. Press, pull down, hold and release. Next, we're going to take a look at the diamond shaped stroke. So again, keep your pen at this 40-degree angle. So before you start off, you want to align your nib with the traced section and then just pull forward, going in the direction of the stroke. Again, hold, pull towards you, stop and release. Hold, pull towards you, hold, release. Moving on to stroke number 3. So this is just a little curved line which goes at the top of letters. So again, keep your pen at the 40-degree angle, hold, and you want to go slightly down and go back up. Now while curving up, you will notice that your stroke thins down a lot. So when you're going down, your stroke is thick, and when you go up, it becomes thin. Now this next stroke is just a mirror image of stroke number 3. So we start off with a thin line, we go up, and then we come down, it's a thicker line. So again, go up, come down, go up, come down. Always remember to maintain a consistent angle with your nib so that all your strokes, all your letters, everything looks consistent when you finally do some writing with the script. Next, moving on to the slanted stroke. So again, keep your pen at the 40-degree angle, go slightly to the right, come all the way down, and again go to the right. So you start off there and go down. So when you move to the right, you have a thin stroke, come down with a thick stroke, again move right with a thin stroke. So keep on practicing all of these strokes as much as you need to till you're comfortable with it, and only then move on to the next step. Next, we're gonna take a look at the play on the straight line. So again, keeping our nib at the 40-degree angle, we start at the top with a thin line, come down with a thick line, and finish at the bottom. Again, start at the top, pull your pen towards you, and stop at the bottom. So always remember to hold your nib a little bit before releasing your pen. So again, hold your nib at the top, pull the nib towards you, and finish your stroke. And finally, we're gonna take a look at the mirror image of the previous stroke. Again, we start off just like stroke number 1, come all the way down and curve to the left. Come down, curve to the left. Come down and curve to the left. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.